Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets finished up mixed yesterday. You had corn and soybeans trading higher while wheat finished the day lower. One of the things pressuring wheat was the fact that the Secretary of Agriculture for Argentina did come out and confirm that, yes, indeed, there's not only going to be 8.8 million metric tons of wheat produced in Argentina this year. They do expect that number to be higher, much like the trade was expecting all along. But when they came up with that data on Thursday, really sent the market lower on Friday. Sent the market higher on Friday, and then when they came out and reversed that, sent it lower yesterday. But without further ado, we had crop progress for the first time in a few weeks yesterday, so let's take a look at the numbers. Grab our whiteboard. All right, let me get up in here. All right. So first off, we're going to go over good to excellent ratings, and when the change here, that's the change from the last report. So that would have been as of September 29th. That's what we're basing the change off of. So good to excellent corn ratings is 6% or 60%. It's a 5% increase. Beans came in at 57%, which is a 4% increase. And then winter wheat came in at 65%. This is the first data we've got from winter wheat, so nothing to compare that to. Then we're going to come over here to corn that's mature. It's 94%. And we're going to go off the 5-year average for mature, dropping leaves, and plantings, and then harvested and emerged. We're just going to go off the 5-year data for those. So mature corn came in at 94% compared to the 5-year average of 95%. Dropping leaves came in at 94% for beans. That's compared to the 5-year average of 97%. And then planting progress for winter wheat came in at 79%, and that is right pegged on the 5-year average of 79%. And then harvested, corn came in at 39%, which is compared to the 5-year average of 53%. Beans came in at 63% compared to the 5-year average of 69%. And then winter wheat emerged, came in at 53%, just missing the 5-year average of 54%. Now these harvest numbers for corn and bean might look a little low, but they're actually were on the higher end or even past some trade expectations. So the harvest progress is a little further along than some people thought it would be. Obviously, due to the late plantings, harvest is going to happen a little later. So these 5-year averages, this would be on the lower end of the bell curve as far as the rounded out area for those 5-year averages. So that's all we've got for crop progress. Of course, if you want the data specifics, that way you can read them and study them a little bit. Those will be over on Grain Analyst on the daily report. Moving forward today, markets are all a little lower. That was seen as the crop progress numbers were seen as positive for crop development. Therefore, that was negative for crop prices. That's why we're pulling back here a little this morning. Other than that, that's all we've got for today. Let us know if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risk involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.